Transform your waste management experience with Rocking H Dumpsters, the top choice for regional dumpster rentals. Whether tackling a home renovation, managing a construction site, or embarking on a large-scale cleanout, our diverse dumpster sizes ensure the perfect fit for any project. Rocking H Dumpsters combines efficiency with reliability, guaranteeing timely delivery and pickup to keep your project on track without the stress of waste buildup. Rocking H Dumpsters is distinguished by its commitment to exceptional customer service and unbeatable value. Our knowledgeable team is dedicated to helping you select the right dumpster for your specific needs, ensuring you get the perfect size at a price that suits your budget. We offer flexible rental periods, competitive rates, and a straightforward rental process that makes your experience as smooth as possible. Simply call us at 979-398-2755 to discover the ease and convenience of our top-tier dumpster rental services. Don't let waste disrupt your project. Partner with Rocking H Dumpsters for seamless waste management solutions. Visit our website at www.rockinghddumpsters.com to explore our services and book your dumpster rental today. Join the numerous satisfied clients who trust Rocking H Dumpsters for their waste disposal needs and see firsthand why we are the preferred choice for effective and efficient waste management. With Rocking H Dumpsters, your project success is just a call away.